In this video today, guys, I'll be showing you how to migrate all of your data from your iPhone na old to your new iPhone. So there's two methods, either use the cloud or you use your PC in transferring all of these files. So if you're using cloud-based, you need to just simply press continue once makita tong dalawang phone na ito. Just press continue. Now it will connect to this phone. All you need to do is just use this one. Okay, so kailangan mo itapat to dito sa code na ito, no, para magtuloy siya to be able to sync everything from this one to this phone. Now, see, iCloud will give you a temporary storage worth 2 terabyte to be able to back up everything here and port it over to your new phones from all of your apps, all of your photos, malilipat dito automatically. Walang kaproblema from your iPhone 13 to your iPhone 14 series. Now, there's another method that you might want to use. Pwede ka mag-download ng iTunes on your PC. Now, the next thing you need to do is to manual backup everything. So, you need to press backup now. But I would suggest that you should encrypt this one. So, ang ganda, ang advantage nito when you encrypt it is that lahat ng mga nakasign in mong apps dito sa old phone mo, from Messenger to Facebook to WeChat to whatever app it is, mapa Viber man yan or Snapchat, lahat yan nakasign in, ipoport niya over dito sa bago phone mo. You no longer need to sign in. This is the advantage ng PC-based na backup and restoring over to your new phone. All you need to do is just encrypt. Just don't forget yung password. Once na nakalimutan mo yung password, goodbye lahat ng iyong data. Now, press backup. Now, after mong backup, you need to remove your phone. Then, kailangan mo ikabit sa inyong new phone. What you need to do next is, of course, you select your country. Ako being in the Philippines, so let's just simply select Philippines. Okay, set up manually, continue. Now, after mo ma-set up ang yung Wi-Fi, magpa-pop up na to siya. No? So, either you go to set it up as your new phone or you should restore from the backup na ginawa natin a while ago. So, you need to press this one, continue. Then, you need to type in yung password ng encryption mo. So, this one would enable you no longer needed to sign in sa lahat ng mga... You no longer need to sign in sa lahat ng mga apps na sinign in mo. No? So, this is an advantage. So, right now, it's restoring from backup. Makita mo, no? Sarili na siya. You no longer need to worry about it. So, restore in progress. So, after a while, lahat ng data mo from your old iPhone will be ported to your new iPhone and you no longer need to sign in to anything. So, yeah, I hope that itong tutorial was able to help you in transferring all of your files from your old iPhone to your brand new iPhone. So, kung gusto niyo mga tutorials like this one, don't forget to like, subscribe, and of course, click that bell icon para hindi mo miss mga future uploads dito na tutorials dito sa aking channel. And so, ako pala si Richman and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. What's up?